Hello, I'm Shinmai. Have you ever heard Japanese say, そうね、そうだ、そうよ、そうか in daily conversation? Today, we are going to learn those Japanese particles that come at the end of the sentence. ね、だ、よ, and か. These particles come at the end of sentences to convey the speaker's feelings or attitude to the listeners. Additionally, you might have heard Japanese said, そうなの?そうだね?そうだな? and so on. What's the difference? Let's learn one by one. As a base, let's use this sentence. これは寿司. It is sushi. First, let's put particle か at the end. When you say これは寿司ですか? Raise the pitch at the end. Then you are saying, is this sushi? But when you say これは寿司か, lower the pitch at the end, which does not question sentence. This か conveys that you accept or convince the matter with surprise. In this case, you didn't realize the food is not sushi, but you just find out. So now you convince the food is sushi. Next, だ. これは寿司だ. This だ conveys that you assert or conclude the matter. In this case, you didn't know what the food is, but you conclude the food is sushi. Next, ね. これは寿司ね. When you lower the pitch, this ね conveys that you reconfirm or reaffirm the matter and talk to yourself. When you raise the pitch, then you reconfirm the matter to the listener. Also, used when you are seeking consent or empathy from the listeners. Next, よ. これは寿司よ. This よ conveys that you call attention to the listener and tell the matter. In this case, you and your friend are figuring out whether the food is sushi or not. Then you thought the food is sushi, so tell your friend about it. Because the function of よ is calling attention to the listener, so we need to be careful when using it to a senior person or in a business scene. Okay, these are basic concepts with one hiragana particles that come at the end of the sentences. Let's summarize what we learned so far. か conveys you accept or convince the matter with surprise. だ conveys that you assert or conclude the matter. ね conveys you reconfirm or reaffirm the matter. Finally, よ conveys you call attention to the listener and tell the matter. The rest of the particles in today's lesson is mostly just a combination of these, or attached with tense, so will be easy. Let's attach these particles after です. By the way, です is what kind of tense? It is a general and polite tense. これは寿司です。You are explaining the food is sushi to others with politeness. So then, what do you think? What conveys these sentences with end-come particles? これは寿司ですか？これは寿司ですね。これは寿司ですよ。Again, です itself is explaining the matter to others. So, these sentences are not talking to yourself, but to others. First, if you raise the pitch at the end of the sentence, then of course it means question. So you are saying, is this sushi? But in this case, lower the pitch. これは寿司ですか? You are still wondering about the sushi with surprise and want to get confirmation from who you are speaking with. これは寿司ですね。You are asking the listener to confirm the food is sushi or not. これは寿司ですよ。You are telling to the listener the food is sushi. As we learned, your functions are calling attention, so this expression becomes more casual. Let's move on. なの。これは寿司なの。なの is a similar function of だ which is an assertive form, but this is softer expression. When you lower the pitch, you kindly tell the matter to the listener. In this case, your friend thought the food is not sushi, so you kindly tell the truth. The food is sushi. When you raise the pitch, you have assumed the food is sushi, but kindly asking whether sushi or not to your friend. So then, how about these? これは寿司なのか? Same nuance as これは寿司か? But it's a softer expression. In this case, you are telling to yourself whether sushi or not, and say it from the perspective on an outsider. これは寿司なのだ. It's barely used, but mostly you will see this expression in anime or manga. Sounds you have confidence, but a soft and cute expression. これは寿司なのね。You didn't expect the food is sushi, but you confirmed the truth with a kind heart. Finally, これは寿司なのよ。You are telling the truth to the listener kindly that the food is sushi. Finally, a combination of the particles. Particle だ, which conveys to assert or conclude the matter, plus ね, よ, and な. In all cases, the sentences become a casual expression. これは寿司だね。You are telling your friend that you confirm or find out the food is sushi. これは寿司だよ。Your friend didn't know the food is sushi, So you are telling about it. これは寿司だな。You are not 100% sure that food is sushi or not, but you asserted that food is sushi. これは寿司だな。You are impressed by the taste of sushi and talk to yourself. So now, do you get more ideas when the Japanese say, そうね、そうだ、そうよ、そうなの、そうだな。そうか uses when you say, I see in English. そうね when you say, it's true or I agree. そうよ when you say, as I said in the conversation. そうだ maybe in the scene you say, it's for sure. I made this chart, but of course, depends on the situation, how you speak, and who you're speaking to, then nuance might be different. Today, we learned the main particles that come at the end of sentences. However, you probably notice more particles come at the end. So, if you are interested in those, then please try to find out the meaning. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました。